Hey content creators, in this video I'm going to show you how being a content creator and YouTuber can help you save money on your taxes. Yes, I said taxes, and I just want to preface this with saying, I am not an accountant, I am not a lawyer, so please always check with your accountant because these things do vary from state to state. But if you are a YouTuber, guess what? You are a business, which means that you can get a lot of tax write-offs and decrease your actual income expense. Let me give you an example. So stick with me because there's gonna be a little bit of math here, but we're gonna do the best we can to help you guys out. So this is a guitar that I recently purchased. All right, this is a $3,000 guitar. Now, I am a guitar teacher, which means I need this as equipment to conduct my business, just like a YouTuber would need a camera or lighting. So anything I am using right now to make this video is a tax write-off. So when I bought this guitar, it was $3,000, but I bought this with pre-tax dollars versus post-tax dollars, which actually, as a business owner, made this guitar cost me a lot less money. Let me show you how. All right, so I'm gonna keep this very, very simple math here. So we're just gonna say you're someone who makes $10,000 a year. All right, and if you are in a 20% tax bracket, that means you pay $2,000 a year in taxes, which essentially leaves you with $8,000 in income to do what you need to do with your life. Now, if you bought the $3,000 guitar, that leaves you with $5,000 at the end of the day. Now, let's compare that to me, the business owner. I make $10,000 a year, but I bought this guitar. So the guitar was $3,000. That comes out of my income pre-tax, which means I am now left with $7,000 in income. And I am only taxed on the $7,000, not the $10,000. That's the difference. So my tax bill is actually now only $1,400, leaving me with $5,600 left in income. So you can see, by being a business and buying equipment that I'm already using and needing for my business, I have essentially saved myself $600 on that guitar. So that guitar didn't cost me $3,000, it actually cost me $2,400 in this very, very simple example. So Lauren, what other types of things can you write off? And this is where I highly recommend you get a good accountant. If you're running your own business, don't do your own taxes, especially when things start getting complicated. A good accountant can actually save you a lot more money than doing it on your own. But things you can also write off. This is an office. I work in an office. It's a completely separate space from my house, and I can actually write off this office space off of my income. For me as a guitar player, guitar picks, guitar strings, capos, and other guitar accessories. As a YouTuber, I can write off my camera equipment, I can write off my microphones, I can even write off the laptop that I do my work on. And if you're someone like me that has a set, any decorations that you have that are based around your set, that is all a tax write-off. Now, there are so many things that you can write off as a business, and like I said, I highly recommend you have a sit-down discussion with an accountant because you can probably save yourself a lot of money by learning about tax write-offs in your business. If you found this helpful, leave me a comment below on some of the things you think you can write off in your YouTube business.